I recently read an experience shared by a finance and insurance trainer. He told the story of a bad Apple finance manager who used a kiosk-type setup to share the menu process in his office. In one of his visits, he discovered that the finance manager had a sticky note on the screen of his kiosk. The note read, "Call your wife," and had an illegible signature. Turns out the guy wasn't married. Turns out the sticky note was strategically placed on the screen where the base payment disclosure sits. Turns out he was spinning a lot of deals without properly disclosing the base payment. I'm sure that problem was handled. There are many good dealerships out there that do things the right way in the finance office. Either way, today I'll be exposing 3 big lies, how to handle them to your advantage, and towards the end, I'll be providing you with a tip that not many people know that they can do. If, by the end of this video, you feel like you learned a little something and you have friends or family in the car buying process, would you mind sharing my channel with them? As always, thank you for being here. Hi everybody, I'm Kimberly and welcome to Auto Finance Sense, where I help you make sense of the dealership finance office the next time you buy a car. Let's get started. Okay, today I'm going to go over 3 big lies that maybe you were told in the dealership finance office, but most importantly, I'm going to tell you what to do to turn the tables and take control of your deal. All right, number 1, and it goes a little something like this. Well, the bank is requiring you to have this, whether it's GAP, extended warranty, maybe both, on your loan. So you have to take it. And here's what your payment is. Please know that no bank or lender out there is going to require you to have these products. Why? Because they're optional. Do remember that. The products that are shown to you in the dealership finance office are always optional. A bank or a lender will never put that stipulation that you must have products in order to get this loan. So, if a finance manager ever tells you this, here's what I would do. Okay then, well, we need to stop. Because I know that automotive banks and lenders never require you to put any additional products on the loan as they are optional to buyers. This is non-compliant, and you can either get your general manager in here, or this is a dead deal. Number 2, I'll lower your interest rate if you take this product. Or, if you take this product, it lowers your interest rate. That's called tying interest rate to product. And if a customer is led to believe that the lower interest rate is contingent upon purchasing that product, that is a very deceptive practice. And I would make sure that you let the finance manager know you will be reporting them to the FTC. Now, there are rare times whenever a finance manager can legitimately lower your interest rate whenever your amount financed has increased. If a bank has something called a large loan discount, for example, and you've crossed that threshold, which sometimes can be $30,000, $40,000, by the additional product that you've purchased, the finance manager may be able to lower your interest rate. But very few banks have that large loan discount today. Another example of getting your interest rate lowered would be if you changed your mind and you decided to put a substantially larger down payment. That would restructure the loan and it would be less of a risk for the lender, which could potentially give you a lower interest rate. That is something that you want to ask the finance manager about. Now, along the same lines of I'll lower your interest rate if you take this product, maybe you've heard, I tell you what, I'll throw this product in and keep your payment the same. Well, I'm sure you already know that nothing is for free. But maybe in your mind you're thinking, well, I don't care how he did it. I'll take that. That sounds like a good deal. Well, I would ask you, what haven't you done first? So before you start going over products, maybe you're shown a menu with all these different products on it. What do you do first? You stop all of that and you say, show me the base payment. And remember what the base payment is. I went over this in the last video. It's your payment, your term, and your interest rate before anything is added to it, no products. So if you hear, I'll throw this product in and keep your payment the same, something's changed and you want to find out what it is. Did the term get extended by a few months to squeeze the product in? Or did the interest rate get dropped just a tick so that payment doesn't change with the product? So at that point, if you haven't done this already, you're going to say, well, what's my base payment without any of this product? If the interest rate was lowered, then you can simply say, well, I'll take that lower interest rate at the same term, and I'm going to think about the products. Now listen, I know that the pressure can build in the dealership finance office, both on the finance manager and especially on you. But I want you to stay calm, cool, and collected because you're taking control of your deal. Okay, last but not least, number 3, making up discounts. A popular one is the friends and family discount. Maybe it's the sunny day discount. Maybe a finance manager will actually get up from behind their desk and go out and have a sales manager sign off on a discount on a product for you. But here's a little secret. Unless the price of a product has been set by the manufacturer or by the state, a finance manager does not need a sales manager's signature or signing off on a discount for a product. Every week I have people say, but Kimberly, the finance manager told me that they would give me a discount if I bought 2 or more products. I thought that was a really good deal. Unfortunately, they didn't find out what the actual price of that product was first and negotiate from that price. So here's a little tip. If you're talking about an extended warranty, they're marked up the most. They're going to be marked up anywhere from $1,000 to $3,500. So you have a lot of room to negotiate off the price of that. But don't look at these products in a payment. You want to make sure that you get the price of every product first. And let the finance manager do their job. They have to go over these products with you. Each deal jacket has to have a paper trail and disclosures, and this is all part of staying compliant. Remember, with the exception of GAP, you can walk out of the dealership, take your time, do your research, think about it, and then decide if you want to buy those additional products or not. But here's a little tip. You can call other manufactured dealerships in your area or in your state, tell the receptionist that you want to buy an extended warranty. That way you'll get directly through to the finance manager because they don't like to take phone calls. And tell the finance manager exactly what you have. I have this year, make, model with this many miles, and here's the VIN. Can you give me a quote for paint and interior protection or an extended warranty, whatever it may be? And by the way, I'm calling 4 other dealerships to get their pricing as well. So give me your best shot. Remember, finance managers need you for their pay plan. Okay, so remember, a bank or automotive lender will never require you to have optional products put onto your loan. A finance manager cannot tie interest rate to you buying products. And instead of making up discounts, just negotiate the price. Don't ever go by the payments. Negotiate the price of each product. Listen, you may have heard me say that the products in the dealership finance office are not bad products, and I stand behind that with the exception of the theft products that I really dislike. It is not easy for an administrator to get their foot in the door of a dealership to be able to sell their products through the finance office. These products have to be quality. Otherwise, everybody has problems, from the customer to the general manager to the service department, the finance manager, and the owner. So if you got any kind of knowledge at all from this video, would you mind doing the YouTube things and hitting the thumbs up, subscribe, and the notification bell? I would greatly appreciate it, and I love the fact that you're here. So thank you, have a wonderful day, and take care. Till next time, bye-bye.